Now, just to summarize these three different types of branches, a release branch is a holding area for code that can be tested and fixed before it gets pushed to production. It gets branched directly from the develop branch, and when it's done, it gets pushed to production, or the master branch. It gets merged back into the development branch, and then it gets deleted. The purpose of a hotfix branch is to take a bug that we find on the master branch that needs immediate attention and do a branch directly from master, make the bug fix, and then push that bug fix back to master as a new release and push it back to development to get incorporated with the next major release, and then it's deleted. And finally, the feature branch, which we talked about pretty early on in this series, is a holding place for new ideas and new code where we can freely develop without impacting the main line of development. This is particularly useful when working with different team members who have responsibilities for different types of features that may adversely affect the main installation of the project if it's not complete. In that situation, it can be very helpful to work outside of the main development branch so you don't end up messing other team members up with unexpected features or unexpected changes before the feature is actually ready to be completely integrated. And again, a feature branch is pulled directly from the development branch, and then it's merged back with that development branch and deleted once it's complete.